It feels really tender.
You got, you have it?
Hold on, I'm gonna feel it already, bro. Come on, watch over ticket. Me hear when the buckle make
Me hear the buckle make it nice too.
Alright, something there funny, something there
Something funny?
Yeah. Shit, he's back up.
Yo! Yo, excited your part.
Finally.
Bravo.
Yo, I'm really excited, bro.
What kind of fish is that?
Bro, I don't even know, but you might get eaten. I don't know. Wait, mine.
Oh, sorry. Damn.
First one that.
Yo, what kind of fish is that? It's so loud. Ah, finally. Ah, thank you, Jesus. Yeah, I feel like me at some point like. Yeah, man. I don't know, but me feel something I'm talking about. You probably get away. You get away. Some big.
No. And what is on my hook? Oh,
Eel.
you know, you're going to mash up my night, man. Oh.
Sit. Jono.
I feel so we all catch fish down the river mountain, you know.
See so?
Yeah.
I'm my thing.
Like a late night, then bite. This man come up with the whole line.
It's now 5:40 a.m. and yeah, woke up. One of the rods were gone, but what happened is that Raj's line got entangled with mine, so it went out to sea for a bit, and then the other one I started to pull it in. Yeah, the lines got entangled, so that was a crazy thing. So I have to like cut the lines off. So I'm basically out of commission in terms of that. And yeah, yo, last night it was like 11 o'clock and I was like, Raj, can you cook a fish there now? Yeah, Raj, no? I cook a fish there with mine. That man jump asleep.
Yo, we tired out, man.
Yeah, man, so we just say, you know what, let me just go to bed too. And went to bed. Yo, man, I'm not gonna lie, I got so lucky because I was so hungry. When I checked my bags, there was like a pack of cookies. That saved me, bro. Yeah. That saved me. But yeah, beautiful morning in Jamaica. Bye-bye. Yo, I was just so excited to wake up and check if we caught a fish. Well, let me just introduce you guys back. Welcome back to Sucking an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So, as you guys can see over there, fire's going, got the fire going now. And we're gonna cook up the eel and the fish. And I've never eaten eel before, never have. In Jamaica they call it congri, yeah? I've heard them call it congri out here. Congri eel, yeah, or whatever. So I don't know how I'm gonna cook this today, but I'm just excited to try it for the first time. If you've ever eaten eel, drop it in the comments and let me know what you thought of it, how does it taste, and hopefully we can execute it in a really good way. I'm just probably more excited to eat breadfruit because I really love breadfruit. Alright guys, so Just I try put up a little stick setup that we can cook the eels on.
What is that, chef stick?
No, sir.
So you have to do if you can skin him, you know, because she's slimy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Normally would I use like salt and lime to get rid of the slime. Or for any fish, conch. I see them use it for stingray to eel. Yeah, but the ashes work just fine. Yeah. I want to go back now and look at more ashes. Definitely want to go back into the ashes. Yeah, we get back a guitar now. Easy. Nice. Here you have it. I say it's almost long like. You see that?
Gobag, yeah.
See what him there eat, you know.
It's our bloodline.
Right.
Up this one.
Yeah. So the backbone.
Okay.
Be blood that. Them here right, like egg.
Yeah.
When I eat the egg them.
I do that. Just have to deal with the breadfruit. And I know say yo, I'm a man, I love breadfruit. See me straight. Alright, so I've never cooked eel before, so I'm gonna try overcomplicate this and some salt. bit of salt on it. Black pepper. Okay, red pepper. And last but not least, my favorite thing in the world, a little bit of coconut butter. And that basically is going to be my eel. Alright guys, so we basically have the eel on the stick. The cool part about it is that it's adjustable, so if I need the heat to get closer, all I have to do is just push it down more and I get closer to the heat. So basically I wanted to cook, I guess, rather slowly. I'm guessing eel is a very tough meat, so I'm not really expecting to have a success from this, but let's see.
Well, hot and ready for me, you know.
Alright guys, I know a couple people did ask me about calabash bowls. I actually have two. Is it two? Yeah, I think I have two of them that I'm going to be putting up on sale on the website. So if you want it, jump on the website really quick and make sure you cop them because I only have two of them, alright? So basically just moved the stick to that direction because you guys can see the smoke is going in that part, so I mean the heat is going in that part. Quick rule of thumb, if you can put your hand like there for like 5 seconds and it gets hot, then that's the right distance away from the heat that you want it, right? So that's basically the technique, that's the vibe. My dish is gonna be a very slow cook. It's gonna be a treat. So this is the main breakfast over here. So I'm actually turning the fish and everything like that. And funny enough, the eel, it feels really tender. Oh. It's gonna be an interesting eat for the first time. So I go do with it now. I go
I'll cut it up for fried. You know, I'm gonna eat all fried breadfruit.
That the people them want here.
But I'm sorry, say it never turn. That's it.
Me glad say not turn. Drop in the comments, guys, which one you prefer, the turned one or the regular one?
Watch and see, I definitely turn one. The people
I hear that quite often, the turned one, to be quite honest.
Yeah, it's sweet and nice. Sometimes it can be a little trick, you know. Breadfruit, you know.
Guys, I can't help myself. I'm going to try a piece of this because I've never had it before. Burn the baby. Sure no.
No, you make more taste piece.
Yeah, put taste it, bro. So I'm going quick. I'm on.
You just want a little flavor.
It's almost like, it tastes like fish, but a little bit more solid meat. Yeah, it's nice.
Drop them in the pot, you know. Onion, tomato.
So yesterday I buy escallion from the Rasta, you know. So I buy the whole bunch here, you know. Watch out, left back a stock for me though. Because I might need to cook me dinner.
You know, you might come and sell it for them.
No. Food ready, fish cook up in some gravy and thing, some nice little spice. Now the things are ready. Some breadfruit, some roast one. And we have some, well, this is a roast fried, sorry. And we have some roast one to leave it up. Alright.
Yes, I. Breadfruit are up bad in brother.
And soak it in a gravy.
Right over here. Right, let's say one piece of squid, you know. You eat your squid, are you? Yeah, no. Squid no bad. Right now, everybody more on there, you know. Give me the remedy before your finger burn. Some of the good stuff, the greens. The one time you ask the greens, I may get reds or yellow.
Alright guys, so really not hungry, but I'm interested to see how this tastes, you know, this technique. I don't know. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so that tore off that part, so I guess that's a good sign. That's actually pretty good. It almost tastes like a jerky. Not jerk chicken, but like a jerky. So the meat never dried out like I thought it would. I thought it was gonna be like really tough. Okay. Not bad. And here is nice and tender. It's really good to see. Alright guys, so the eel was pretty good. The flavor is like a seafood jerky. That's kind of what it tastes like. Nicely smoked, a little bit of spice to it and stuff. But to be quite honest, I can't wrap my mind around the fact that it's an eel. You know, that's kind of it's a little bit off-putting, but I've tried it and I appreciate it for what it is. But yeah, currently we're just gonna pretty much, you know, spend the rest of the day out here. What was I about to say? I forgot. Wait, give me a second. Yeah. This is gonna be my second to last video for a while, maybe. You guys are gonna see content still, but I'm gonna take about a week, you know, not shooting any videos because I still need to heal a little bit. I did say it on my live, you know, I bought some, what you call them, rash guards from Amazon, I think it was, and yeah, they sucked. You know, I had a bad allergic reaction to them, you know, so like my hands and whatever, like I think it was, what you call it, either material allergy or dye allergy. I think it's a dye, so that's the issue for me right now. I'm gonna do one more video after this, which is gonna be, you know, going to a river or something like that later on today, and then I'm gonna take a break for a little bit. I don't think you guys should be short on content, because by the time you guys are seeing this, there's like 3 videos before that should be posted, so it shouldn't be an issue anyway. But I'm gonna vibe a little bit, you know, lock in for a week. Definitely, you know, the whole thing that's happening now, you guys know. And yeah, well, anyway guys, remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.
Okay.